ठीक अच्छे पिला माने नेक्स्ट आम स्टार्ट करिया टाइप्स ऑफ वेलोसिटी टाइप्स ऑफ वेलोसिटी velocity generally are two types. One is uniform velocity. Uniform velocity, what is? The velocity of a body is uniform. केतबेले ना displacement equal है. Suppose this is equal to 10 meter displacement in 1 second, 20 meter displacement in 2 seconds. 2 second means you see change in displacement 20 minus 10, this is equal to your 10. Change in time, this is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1 second. So this is equal to time is equal to 1 second. Change in time, this is equal to your change in displacement. Change in displacement, your 10 meter, change in time is equal to 1 second. You see this to this, your 3 second, this is equal to 30 meter. You see this to this 10 meter displacement, this to this your 10. So 10 equal displacement. Time interval, you see first 1 second, this is 2 second, this is equal to 3 second. So this to this 1 second, this to this 1 second. So equal time रे जदि आमे equal displacement maintain करथाय बॉडीटा, that is called your uniform velocity. Okay, next we will discuss non-uniform. Second is non-uniform. What is non-uniform? You see 10 meter, 20 meter, 20 पर 40. You see this to this is equal to your change 10 meter. This to this you see change in 20. This is equal to 10. And time is same. 1 second change, 1 second change. So in same time interval, if displacement changes unequal amounts, unequal 10 meter, 20 meter, then 40 meter, then 70 meter, like this. जदि unequal displacement होतबो equal time interval होतबो, then it is called your non-uniform velocity. Okay. Next, your SI unit of velocity. Velocity you know V is equal to S by T, that is equal to displacement by time. To know the unity or dimension formula, you have to know the general formula for velocity. So you see SI unity means you can take this is equal to MTS unit. So unit is or SI unit is this is equal to your length means meter. This is equal to time is equal to second, this is equal to meter per second. So if you know formula, then you can find the SI unity and CGS unit also. In CGS, this meter is your centimeter, this time is the same, that is second to second. So you can write your unity, SI unity and CGS unity. Next come to dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. You see dimensional means measurement. This is called your displacement. Displacement तमे कोथरे मापिबो, स्केल रे मापिबो, स्केल रे तमर कोन मापा जाय, लेंथ मापा जाय. So dimension formula is for displacement, this is called L. Time, this is capital T. Now this is called L T to the power minus 1. So this is called to dimensional formula. You take your close bracket. So any problem you can do using this formula. Velocity is equal to displacement by time, SI unity, CGS unity and dimension formula. Okay. Next we will take acceleration. Define acceleration. Acceleration तमे जानिछो त्वरण. It is defined as the change in velocity. The change in velocity. Change in velocity of a body. Velocity per unity change in time. Per unity change in time. तार्थ velocity रो change हबो केते ना एकक समय रे टाइम रो परिवर्तन एकक होइतिबा दरकार बा यूनिटी टाइम रे केते velocity change होइछि, that is called your acceleration. you see it is denoted by, this is called to small a, this is called to acceleration. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity, that is equal to v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1. This is called to your change in velocity by change in time. In figure you see, this is called to your a body moves, this is called to your velocity v1 in time t1, this is called to velocity here v2, time is equal to t2. So how the body accelerates, that is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity, that is v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1. Okay, next, if you take instantaneous means very small time re tomar acceleration, this is called to your change in velocity v2 minus v1, this is called to change in time delta t. You take your here limit, if you take a delta t delta v, then you take your limit delta t tends to 0 to get instantaneous acceleration, that is equal to delta v by delta t, and this is called to your in terms of a derivative, that is d by dt of v. So this is called your instantaneous acceleration. So instantaneous acceleration is defined as time rate of change of a velocity in calculus method. Okay, now we'll discuss about your instantaneous. V is given in terms of your t plus 1, suppose in terms of a time. So if you find acceleration, that is called to your dv by dt, this is called to d by dt of t plus 1, d by dt of t, this is called to your derivative of t with respect to t, this is called to your 1, and 1 derivative, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 1. So acceleration is 1 in terms of if given velocity in equation form, that is called your time form. Okay, if it is given first velocity is equal to your 20 meter per second, in time is equal to your 5 second, final velocity is equal to your 30 meter per second, t2 given in your suppose your 7 second. So how to find acceleration? So acceleration is equal to change in velocity, that is equal to v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1. So what you see the difference? You see the difference? Velocity is given in terms of equation to find instantaneous. If velocity in different form, this is called to equation form, this is called to time form, value form. It is given directed 20, 30, but it is given in a time function. So in time function you have to find instantaneous. In general value form, direct value form, you write this formula. So this is called to your 30 change in velocity minus 20 divided by 7 second minus 5 second. So this is called to your 10 by 2, that is called to your 5 meter per second square. Okay, this is called to your acceleration. Acceleration means increase in speed or velocity. Okay, then we will take SI unit. SI unit, you see acceleration is your general formula, you remember velocity by time. Velocity is equal to your meter per second and time your second. So this is called to your meter per second square. This is equal to unity, SI unit of acceleration. Similarly, you come to CGS unit. CGS unit meter is equal to your centimeter per time is same second, that is equal to second square. Okay, this is called to SI unity or MKS you write. Then CGS unit. Then come to your dimensional formula. How to find dimension formula? You see this same, you take your formula, acceleration is equal to velocity by time. Dimensional formula, you know velocity is equal to displacement by time. Displacement by time meaning L by T divided by T. This is equal to L by T square this is equal to L t to the power minus 2. This is equal to dimensional formula of acceleration. So if you know the formula, you can find the unity and the dimension formula. Okay. Next we will types of acceleration. Types of acceleration. This is called the uniform acceleration. Another one is non-uniform. You see, uniform equal change in velocity for same or equal change in time interval. Time interval समान रखी जदि velocity same आसिला same change हैला, that is called uniform. Here your non-uniform मतलब velocity रो change टा different आसिबो in same interval of time. Suppose one example, this is called your 10 meter per second velocity. This is called your 20 meter per second velocity. This is called your 30 meter per second velocity. This is equal to 1 second, this is equal to 2 seconds, this is equal to 3 seconds. So this to this 1 second only. To cover displacement, you increase 10 meter per second. Here 2 to 3, this is equal to 1 second. But velocity changes 20 to 30, that is equal to 10 meter per second. So you see 10 meter per second change in velocity, 10 meter per second change in velocity, but time change is equal to 1 second. Here time change in 1 second. So unity time रे तमरो जदि इक्वल डिस्प्ले वेलोसिटी आसिला ताहले ताको आमे यूनिफॉर्म कहबा. Similarly non uniform, you see this is equal to 10, you take this is equal to your 40. This to this change your 10 meter per second in time same 1 second. Here 2 to 3 seconds, that is equal to 1 second. This is equal to 1 second. So this 20 to 40, this is equal to change your 20. You see velocity change here 10 meter per second. Here velocity change in your 20 meter per second. So this is not equal, but time is same. 1 second change. Here also 1 second change. So this is called non-uniform acceleration. Okay. Next come to your acceleration. Acceleration in terms of displacement. In terms of displacement, you see acceleration A, displacement S. How to relate it? We know, you can write, we know acceleration or instantaneous acceleration is equal to d by dt of a v, rate of change of a velocity with respect to time. But velocity you know, v is equal to ds by dt. You see this is equal to a is equal to d by dt of a v. In place of a v you write ds by dt. This value you substitute here. So this is equal to ds by dt. So this is equal to d ds, that is equal to d square s divided by dt dt, that is equal to dt square. Dt is a single function, so you don't write d square t square because dt is a single one. So single one means this single one x square. Dt is a single, so you multiply it or second derivative. This is equal to dt square. This is equal to acceleration. So acceleration in terms of a displacement. Okay. In the next video we will discuss about your equation of motion. धन्यवाद.